how far I'll go.
Disneyland is truly an American original.
Greetings from Tomorrowland. We just got off of the monorail. Now we have to go run to get these fast passes for Fantasyland, but I got the same ticket as yesterday. I'm so mad. I just want like a cute little Mickey Minnie one, but no, I get the same Star Wars one again. Look, there's a horse just like casually in front of the castle. Let's board it up. Hi. Oh.
Hey, on the quarter deck, so let's the button down. Take an observation.
They're so cute. Why do I love that? They're adorable. Now we're gonna do Pirates of the 5-minute wait. Bless. Well, my butt is soaked now, but it was good.
So much
Kelly
better.
loves
So
it.
good.
It was so much longer than ours. It was really cool.
Oh, amazing. Ours is like the bad Spark. It's like the book report
Yeah,
that's
it's like
written.
a Spark notes. It's like,
But like
they like
it's
cut so much out of
book report
ours.
that a kid writes when like they only read the Spark notes.
That was fun. That was fun. It was fun. I really like the part when we went up and like the height and stuff.
Yes.
That was so cool. We don't have that. I
That was
really
the
like
best
that.
part.
It was shorter,
Otherwise,
though.
ours is better.
Yeah, I really like that though. I love the interactive games. Like we have
I know,
nothing
same.
like that over there. Now we are unfortunately going on Splash. I don't want to get wet. It's only 5 minutes though, so like gotta do it now. But I literally got a bunch of bags so I can cover myself. I'm ready. I'm sitting on one. My bag is in another one, and I have another one to protect me from this splash at the end. Look at the duck just chilling there. Hi. Well, I know the sun isn't out. We're never gonna dry. This is just great. Love Splash Mountain so much. Oh my god! I'm literally soaked. Oh my god, poor Ed. It's just dripping.
Can we go back?
Literally, my freaking knees were like the bag didn't cover. My hair too is just soaked. I hate this ride. That's all I have to say. Hi Eeyore, he's so cute. Just trying to dry myself off a little bit. This is something. Like, oh my god. My hair is soaked. Just trying to stand here in the sun and see if it does anything. Dries me up a little bit at least. Oh, cute. Why is that so funny? That was cute. It was similar to ours. And the one where he was just floating around. He was just like levitating around. Oh my god, I love that. That was cute. Hi, friend. It's so weird seeing stormtroopers in Disneyland and not like California Adventure. Like they're just like roaming around Disneyland. Like what? We went into the magic shop because we don't have this at Walt Disney World, and it's literally just like a bunch of like random pranks, like rubber chocolate donut. I always love the view of Main Street from up at the train station. It's so cute. You just sit there, watch everyone.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad.
I'm triggered. I don't want to see this place ever again. Goodbye. Go away. No.
It's your wildest ride in the wilderness.
Mickey and the Magic Map. We've heard good things. Very excited. So
I keep talking about it.
yeah, she thought I won't shut up about it. Then we were on the train. They were like, "Oh yeah, it starts in like 10 minutes." We're like, "Let's get off and watch it now." The Hawaiian roller coaster ride came out, I was like, I'm gonna die. I literally am so obsessed with Lilo and Stitch. Oh, I love that song so much. That was so cute. The music. Oh my god, it was so cute. Wow, 10 out of 10. We're going to Toontown now. RIP! They took it away in Walt Disney World and we don't have it anymore. It was so cute. This is so weird. I feel like I'm literally a child again. Oh my god. This is so crazy. I'm so sad they took it away. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is wild. Look, it's Minnie's house. Her little mailbox. Oh my gosh, and here's Mickey's over here. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I remember going through these when I was a child. Such a comfy couch. Love that. Are you kidding me? It's the backyard. That is so cute. Oh, hello. That's so creepy. We have Chippendale's tree house. How cute. Their house is in the background. Little Mickey fountain.
Majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
We're heading to Indiana Jones. We have a fast pass. It was under refurb until today. Today was like the first day it opened back up. So we get to ride it, thank God. And then it's like very similar to Dinosaurs. Never seen any of these movies either.
They've all heard the tantalizing tales.
Ed is ready to drive.
I love it so much.
Yeah. It was so good. It was really good.
I love Dinosaur though. I'm sad we don't have it. Cheating on Dinosaur. I love Dinosaur.
I know, Dinosaur's so good. Like literally it'll always have my heart, but like this was so good. Like just wild. We gotta do a classic. I love the teacups.
Oh my god.
Yes, Ed. Oh my god. Maybe it's so dirty. We're gonna share a churro because we've heard that they're better here. Update. It's the same exact thing. It tastes the same. Like it's good, but like I never really crave it. Like I wouldn't like go out of my way to get it. That was interesting. It was good. It was like very jerky. I don't know. Not my fave, but it was fun.
I thought it was good, but Everest is better.
Yeah, Everest like literally tops all, honestly.
I was a little underwhelmed. I thought it was gonna be a tad better, but I've heard so much hype. You know?
I feel like I haven't really heard people being like, oh my god, it's amazing. Like it was okay, but it really was like very jerky. But their Yeti works, so that's something.
Okay, yeah, their Yeti is cool. Like,
yeah, right? Can't relate, but it's fine. California Adventure. We're gonna do Incredicoaster for the second time. Even during the day, it's so pretty. Like last night, it was gorgeous at night, but like, oh, it's so pretty. 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, it's so good. It literally doesn't get old. And I like doing it at night because it was cool, but then during the day too because I saw like things that I missed last time, so that was cool. And I was like able to see it again. I got my second mac and cheese of the trip. It is like a garlic crumble bread topping something, but there it is and it's so good. Well, it was a 10-minute wait for this jumping jellyfish thing, so why not? Let's do it. See what it is. It's like literally just goes like up and down, but we love that. Love that for us. Ooh. Cool view. Oh my gosh, look at this view. So exciting. Thrilling. Now we have a fast pass for Goofy's Sky School. It is supposedly similar to like our Primeval World, so, but it doesn't spin apparently. Woo! Oh, it looks so cute. I love all our woos. I'm just like, woo! Fun time. Yeah, it doesn't spin, not
in your
as
seat
fun, but, you
till
know,
you're given the okay.
The view is nice.
yeah, it looks really
Then
pretty
lift up
from
the
up there.
lap.
I can't get over the lamp. It's so cute. We're gonna get one of these snow cone things now, which are supposed to be really good. I got the little small snow cone. It's like lemon soft serve. It's really good. Kelly over here got the big beast. It is massive. How do you like it? What's your review?
It's pretty good. It's tastes like
Thank you. Look at the middle. It's literally hollow inside.
it's like my soul.
So funny. We're about to do Cars Land for the first time. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to see it like up close at night too. Oh my god. This is so cute. It's like a little model of everything. Aww. This is so cute. Look at that Cozy Cone Motel sign, and look at all the cones. Oh my god, I love this. This is adorable. And look at the little fountain. Look at the little mini cones. That's so funny. This is wild. Like, you literally feel like you're in the actual movie. Like, they did such a good job with this. Like, it's unreal. Like, oh my god. Oh, look at him. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Are you kidding? That's amazing. Amazing.
It is amazing.
Oh my god, I love that. Look how cool he is. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, the lights turned on. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my god. Dude, this is crazy. Like, we're literally in Cars the movie right now. Like what? We're literally in the movie right now. Your mouth is all green. Wait. Your mouth is all green. You're all green.
Oh my gosh.
Time for Radiator Springs Racers. Dude, I'm so pumped for this. Oh my gosh. I already know it's gonna be better than Test Track, because Test Track doesn't do it for me. This is gorgeous. Oh my god.
Visitors on this planet.
Hippie.
I'm blown away.
So much better.
Dude, that was literally so good. Like, oh my god.
So fun.
Like, oh my god, I'm so mad that my camera died literally in the middle of it, and I was like, ugh, whatever.
Really?
So I whipped my phone out. Yeah, I literally
sucks.
whipped my phone out so fast. But no, literally it was so good. Like, literally you feel like you're in the movie. Like, oh my god, that was like so amazing. And it's so pretty. Like, oh, I'm blown away. That was so good. Oh, are you kidding me? This view is literally like unreal. Like, this is unreal. This is literally so freaking pretty. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I literally am so obsessed. Like, oh my god. Is that the Epcot ball? Sorry. Fun times. Aliens Roller Saucers is better because of the music.
True.
But yeah, it was fun. Yeah, I just was not the biggest fan of freaking Mater like singing country in my ear. I got this cheddar cheese soup that I'm very excited to try. Update, it is delicious, and I wish Food and Wine and like all of the other festivals at Epcot had more cheese things. As many times as I come in here, it's never gonna not feel weird. Like, it just feels like it should be Magic Kingdom. Like, I feel like I'm in an alternate universe. Like, it like feels so familiar, but it's like not at the same time, so it's like weird. But it's like this Emporium, like Main Street area. The rest is like fine, but like whenever I walk in, I'm just like, whoa, like where am I? Like, what is this?
This part is like looks the most like.
Yeah. It's so
Everything
weird.
else looks so like different, but this part is like
This part is
exactly the
so
same yet
weird.
small differences that throws you off.
The sun went down. You know what that means? It's time to whip out my poofy coat. And we're doing this Robert's cartoon spin, which I don't really know what it is. So I hated that. What the heck?
I did not like that.
First of all, I was very confused. Then also, like, there was a thing that you could spin, but it like kind of would spin by itself. So I felt like every time I would try it, like it would like rip my wrists away. I literally felt, I don't know. That was awful.
I did not like that.
I literally did not like that at all. Like, weird. Whatever, we did it once. That's all that matters. Oh, yeah, thank you, next, bye.
Like this go coaster thing. I think it's like a little, yeah, it's like a barnstormer. It's like a little, wow, we love good lighting.
Honestly, it wasn't too bad. Like for little kids ride, it was like pretty good, but it was super short.
Utopia. Woo.
Literally, I never even went on Tomorrowland Speedway. I don't think I've been on that since I was like a child. I'm like, I don't care about this ride. But here we go.
So cool.
Look, there's a little alien. I don't know. But that's cool. Kelly's nervous. She took out her phone. I don't take the drive. This is so long. We just want it to end. This is so boring. Oh my god. Like,
I'm just
really
so
don't
stressed.
care. Like, I'm done. Let's go. Step on it. I want to go home. Are we there yet? Literally, dance parties with characters are my favorite thing ever. Yes. They're so fun. They're so funny. I love seeing them get down. Oh my god, it's amazing. It literally wouldn't be one of my vlogs without a dance party with characters, and that's a fact.
And then we're gonna torture ourselves and go to the tiki room. This is the scariest part. So, this is so weird. We have a fast pass for Fantasyland, so like these areas are roped off, but like that's it. Like there's like the walkway, there's this, there's like no room, and there's like nowhere to sit on the floor. How weird.
Oh my god, I'm so cold, but that was so good. But now we are going back to the hotel because we are tired and cold. Good night.